Hello everyone, welcome back to English Elevate and welcome to this podcast. If you understand English but feel stuck while speaking, if you know grammar but still hesitate to talk, or if you think I know the word but they don't come out, then this episode is for you. Today I'm sharing 5 powerful strategies that will truly help you to master English communication, not just English grammar. So relax, grab your earphones and let's begin. Strategy number one. Stop chasing perfection. Start communicating. The biggest mistake English learners make is trying to be perfect. Perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation, perfect sentences. But let me tell you something important. Communication is more important than correctness. Native speakers also make mistakes, but they don't stop speaking because of them. Instead of thinking, what if my sentence is wrong, think, can the other person understand me? Speak even if it's broken English. Speak even if it's a simple English. Because confidence comes after speaking, not before speaking. Strategy number two. Think in English, not translate. If you are translating from your mother tongue to English in your head, you will always feel slow and confused. So, what's the solution? Start thinking in English. Begin with small things. When you wake up, think, I need to get up. I have to make tea. I am getting late. Talk to yourself in English while doing daily activities. No pressure, no audience. This habit slowly trains your brain to respond directly in English, and that's when fluency starts. Strategy number three. Learn phrases, not just words. Most learners memorize vocabulary like this: happy, sad, angry, excited. But communication doesn't work word by word. It works in phrases. For example, I'm not sure about that. That makes sense. To be honest, let me think. When you learn phrases, you speak faster and more naturally. So next time, don't learn English words. Learn ready-made sentences you can actually use. Strategy number 4. Speak every day, even for 5 minutes. You don't need 1 hour. You don't need a partner. You just need consistency. Speak English for 5 minutes every day. You can first describe your day, second talk about your feelings, third summarize a movie, fourth or repeat what you heard in English. Record your voice if possible. At first you may not like your voice, that's normal. But slowly you will notice improvement in clarity, confidence and flow. Remember, fluency is built by daily speaking, not by watching videos silently. Strategy number 5. Accept mistakes and enjoy the process. This strategy is emotional but very powerful. You must accept that. You will forget words, you will make mistakes, you will feel awkward sometimes, and that's okay. Every mistake means you are learning. Every awkward sentence means you are growing. Instead of saying my English is bad, say my English is improving. Enjoy the journey, celebrate small wins because the goal is to express yourself confidently. So, let's quickly revise the 5 strategies. First, stop chasing perfection. Second, think in English. Third, learn phrases, not just words. Fourth, speak daily even for 5 minutes. Fifth, accept mistakes and enjoy learning. If you follow this consistently, English communication will no longer scare you. If you like this episode, don't forget to share it with someone who is learning English. And remember, your voice matters. Speak it out. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.